these days we have to need lot of things from the life of these freedom fighters. If we will discuss Mahatma Gandhi, one of the great person, Albert Einstein, says that no one person will take birth in this world like Mahatma Gandhi. कि इस दुनिया में यह लोगों के लिए विश्वास करना मुश्किल होगा कि महात्मा गांधी जैसा इंसान दोबारा इस वर्ल्ड पर क्या लेगा, रिबर्थ लेगा. If we will discuss regarding the teaching of Mahatma Gandhi, first of all, forgiveness. Forgiveness means it is a power which cannot develop under a weak people. यह एक ऐसा पावर है जो कॉमन लोगों के बीच में क्या नहीं होता है, डेवलप नहीं होता है. इट इज अ पावर ऑफ अ पावरफुल पर्सन. सेकंड थिंग इज दैट नॉन वायलेंस. वी ऑलवेज हैव टू फॉलो नॉन वायलेंस, which was the main principle of Mahatma Gandhi. If we will discuss regarding the incident of Mahatma Gandhi, there are lot of incidents which take place. If we will discuss regarding in 1914, when Mahatma Gandhi returned India, that was the time of First World War. कौन सा समय था वो? First World War का समय था जब महात्मा गांधी कहाँ पर आए थे, इंडिया में आए थे. That time Britishers goes to Mahatma Gandhi. वे महात्मा गांधी के पास जाते हैं and says that you have to recruit the soldiers for the Britishers because we want to establish peace in the world. ब्रिटिशर्स ने महात्मा गांधी से कहा कि हमें इस दुनिया के अंदर क्या करनी है, शांति स्थापित करनी है. दैट इज वाई यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड द सोल्जर फॉर अस. इसीलिए आपको हमें क्या प्रोवाइड करवाने पड़ेंगे, सोल्जर्स प्रोवाइड करवाने पड़ेंगे. महात्मा गांधी प्रोवाइड द सोल्जर्स बट दे डू नॉट नाउ द एक्ट ऑफ ब्रिटिशर्स. दैट्स वाई in 1915 they visit all around the India and see the condition of weaker farmers and the workers of the society. Then they decide they have to free from Britishers. That is why in 1919 they started Rowlatt Act. What was the Rowlatt Act? किसी भी भारतीय को गिरफ्तार कर लिया जाता था. Any Indian can be arrested on the basis of doubt and directly sent to the policeman for a long time period. फिर उसके बाद आफ्टर दैट महात्मा गांधी started a lot of movement for the freedom struggle of India. One of them is Jallianwala Bagh. What was Jallianwala Bagh? Thousands of people gathered in the area of Punjab, Amritsar for opposing the act of Jallianwala. That time thousands of people were gathered. हजारों लोग इकट्ठे थे वहां पर. General Dyer close to the entry gate and open fire on the public. Lot of Indian people were killed. So today there is a lot of incident of Mahatma Gandhi, but we have to adopt the teaching of Mahatma Gandhi. You all learn now. Nathuram Godse killed the Mahatma Gandhi. The body of Mahatma Gandhi has been died, but the views, but the teaching cannot be end until the world is alive. So if you really want to know about Mahatma Gandhi, अगर आप really में महात्मा गांधी के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं, you don't need to get the WhatsApp knowledge, Facebook knowledge and any extra knowledge. You must have to read about this. आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, आपको उसके बारे में पढ़ना पड़ेगा. So I would like to request everyone, please read about Mahatma Gandhi and follow their teaching and follow their path. Thank you.